For investments, they call it APY, the annual percentage yield, and for loans, it's called the annual percentage rate. And that's where you take the interest you earned compounding and see what the equivalent rate of simple interest is for that money. One way to find it is to just let your principal, or the amount you're investing or borrowing, be $1, and you let it compound for 1 year, and your percent increase will be your effective rate of interest. So if you go from $1 to $1.07, then your effective rate of interest is 7%. So let's do an example. Let's say $5,000 is placed in a CD paying 4.5% interest compounded monthly, and we want to find the annual percentage yield. Our formula for compound interest n times a year is A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. So let's put in $1 and find out how much we get out. Our R is our rate, and it's 0.045. N is the number of times per year, so it'd be 12. And we're going to do this for 1 year, so T is 1. Let's pull out the calculator. Left parenthesis, 1 plus 0.045 divided by 12. Right parenthesis, caret 12, enter. And it's 1.045939825. And so let's take the percent increase. It would be 4.59%. That's your annual percentage yield. Let's do another example. Here we have the effective rate of interest. It's 9%. We want to know the original rate of interest. This is continuous compounding, so our formula is A equals P e to the RT. Consider our principal to be $1, and since our effective rate of interest is 9%, that means we end up with $1.09. E, we don't know what R is. Our time is 1 year. So now we need to solve for R. Well, multiplying by 1 doesn't change things, so we have e to the R equals 1.09. To get an exponent down, you natural log it. Natural log of e to the R is just R. So we have R equals the natural log of 1.09. Let's do that one on the calculator. And we get 0.0862. So expressed as a percentage rather than in decimal form, it's 8.62%. And that makes sense. It should be lower than your 9%.